Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI with DeepSeek R1. Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. So what is DeepSeek R1? It's a new AI model developed by a Chinese research team that's making waves in the AI community. DeepSeek R1 is designed to handle complex tasks like math, coding, and scientific reasoning. But what sets it apart is how it does it. First, it uses something called chain of thought reasoning. This means it breaks down problems into logical steps, making its reasoning process transparent and easy to follow. Next, it uses reinforcement learning. This allows the model to learn and improve by maximizing rewards, making it more versatile and accurate. Finally, DeepSeek R1 uses model distillation. This technique transfers knowledge from a large model to smaller, efficient versions, making advanced AI tools more accessible. But how is DeepSeek R1 actually used in the real world? Well, it's already making a difference in several fields. In healthcare, DeepSeek R1 assists doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images and patient data. This helps in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. In education, DeepSeek R1 acts as an intelligent tutor, helping students with personalized learning plans and answering complex questions in subjects like math and science. In industry, it's optimizing manufacturing processes by predicting equipment failures and suggesting efficient production methods, leading to cost savings and improved productivity. The potential applications are endless. DeepSeek R1 is not just a theoretical concept, it's a tool that's actively shaping the future across various sectors. If you enjoyed this quick explanation, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.